Good morning, McVay Elementary. Today is Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. Here are your morning announcements. For lunch, we've got lunch A, beef calzone, lunch B, turkey and cheese sandwich, and lunch C, a yogurt muffin lunch. Please remember what you order as you get called up for the lunch line later today. Today's weather is a high of 37 degrees. It is cloudy, and the wind chill is looking like it will be warm enough for us to go outside, though it is still pretty cool. So make sure that you have hat, coat, gloves, scarves, etc., so that you can stay warm outside. Today's birthdays. Want to wish a happy birthday to Eleanor B, Joshua F, Gray S, and a happy half birthday on August 12th to Jackson C and Miss Simmons. Hope you all have wonderful days. Students, come on down for your birthday present after the announcements. All right, jumping into our announcements for today. Remember, students, it is Friendship Week. Today is Peace, Love, and Friendship. Wear tie-dye and say hello to someone new. Tomorrow is the last day of Friendship Week, and it is Teams Day and Friendship Class Parties. Wear your McVay team shirt. Your shirt that may look like this, whether it's green, orange, blue, or red, and be ready to celebrate friendship. Cannot wait for that. Looking forward to another fun time with our buddy classes in the morning tomorrow. All right, and hope everyone has had a wonderful time with Friendship Week so far this week. All right, couple other announcements. Reminder that this month is all about empathy as we celebrate our pioneer values. Remember, empathy is thinking about others and how they feel. Hopefully, you've been able to do a great job with that throughout this week of Friendship Week. And also, February is Black History Month, where we learn about important and influential Black and African American citizens and people of our history. And today we're learning about a very well-known African American hero, and that is Rosa Parks. Many of you may have heard of Rosa Parks before, as she was the person who refused to give up her seat on the front of a bus in Montgomery, Alabama, which created a bus boycott and ultimately led to the Supreme Court ruling that segregation on public transportation was illegal. She did so much for the civil rights movement and inspired that boycott after being arrested for refusing to give up her seat. So Rosa Parks demonstrated what it means to show courage and bravery, and we celebrate her and all important African American influential citizens all this month and every day. All right. With that, let's now move on to our One School, One Book trivia for today. All right, so yesterday's question was, what did Charlotte say about fooling humans? What did Charlotte say about fooling humans? The answer was that it was simple, because they are gullible or easily fooled. If she can fool a bug, then she can fool a human. Here are your trivia winners from yesterday. We've got Luca L. and Miss Walker, Haven and Miss Bechtel, Elliot and Miss Garcia or Grody, Khalid and Miss Louder, Ellie from Miss Florence, Elle from Miss Galerno's class, Mila from Miss Mantle, Avery from Miss Smith, Logan from Miss T, Maggie from Mr. Bruger, Landon from Miss Simmons, Aditi from Miss Utsi, Lincoln from Miss McKinster, Gunner from Miss Messina, and Lily W. from Mr. Regula. Come on down after the announcements for your One School, One Book trivia prize. And our question for today: who found the message in the web, and what was it? Who found the message in the web, and what was it? That will do it for our announcements and trivia questions for today. So let's now stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and Pioneer Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the Pioneer Pledge. I choose to respect myself and others by listening and following adult directions, speaking appropriately, keeping hands, feet, and objects to myself, walking in the building, being prepared to learn. This is who I am, even when no one is watching me. Let's make it a great day today as we celebrate that Pioneer Pride and as we celebrate kindness. I want to give a some quick shout outs today to Jason, Zaki, Abdi Fatah, all in Miss Hines' class. This is from Miss Florence. Thank you for being so well behaved during lunch on Tuesday. I enjoyed our conversation that you were sitting and eating. Keep it up. Reeves, Khalif, Amy, Max, Ian, Mushtaq from Ms. Willis. Thank you for being so helpful to the guest teacher on Tuesday. Your kindness is appreciated. Isaiah from Ms. Louder for working hard in the classroom. Way to go. Vivian and Delilah from Ms. Hessna's class from Ms. Florence. I loved your letters you wrote and drew for me during Kindness Week. Thanks for thinking of me. Camille, Noah, Max E, Naja, Brinley, and Colin from Ms. Willis. Excellent job earning a spot on the podium for the Boys War Primary Sources Kahoot last week. And finally, Gemma and Sean from Ms. Louder for working hard in reading stations. That is awesome, students. Let's keep up those shout outs. Keep up the good work. I cannot wait to be all together again tomorrow to celebrate our one McVay with our February Teams Day. Remember, wear your McVay your team shirt. Let's get ready to celebrate kindness. Let's work hard. Let's be kind. Let's make it a great Wednesday and a great end of the week tomorrow. And as always, keep repping that Pioneer pride.